Hello! Today we're going to have a look at the differences between the original MamaToyz Folding Learning Tower and the new version 2. So straight away we can see a slight height difference. Version 1 is actually a little bit taller than version 2. That is because the new version has 2 height settings compared to the previous 3. You may be thinking, 3 height settings sounds better than 2, but actually we think the 3rd height setting could potentially be too tall for children. The safety bar should be high enough for the body to stop children toppling over the edge, so actually it's a good thing the platform can't go as high as before. There's a few more additions on the V2 to improve the standard of safety. First of all, these extra feet give added support to the frame to stop it from sliding on the floor or falling forward. There's also this new secure locking strap. Previously, on the first version, there was nothing to stop the platform folding upwards. Now, however, the locking strap is going to stop the platform from moving. This is quite an important feature to be added, as we don't want the tower to fold whilst a child is climbing onto it. In addition to the locking strap, we now have an extra support bar underneath the platform as well, which means it can hold up to 100 kilograms, so you can be sure that your child will be supported as they grow. Both towers fold in the same way, apart from you'll have to remove the locking strap on the version 2. And both are very compact when folded, just 13 centimeters, so it's easy to store away when not in use. If you want to adjust the height, you just loosen some of the screws so you have space to move the platform up or down. There is a slight difference in the indents on each tower, but if anything, I'd say the version 2 now moves up and down a little bit smoother. Finally, you'll be pleased to hear the version 2 is still made from durable plywood, which is natural and chemical free. So, there are similarities and differences in the original MamaToyz Folding Learning Tower compared to the new version 2. If you think it would make a great addition to your home, then click the link in the description to shop today.